Dear students, now let us solve 8th question of exercise 2.5 from triangles lesson. Read carefully and understand this question. In figure, here figure is given. O is a point in the interior of triangle ABC. OD perpendicular to BC, OE perpendicular to AC, and OF perpendicular to AB. Show that OA square plus OB square plus OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square. Here we have to prove OA square. So let us join OA plus OB square, join OB plus OC square, join OC, minus OD square, minus OE square, minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus C square. Now we want AF square, then BD square, then C square. So we have to consider triangle OFA, triangle ODB, and triangle OEC to prove this. And we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle OFA, angle F is 90 degree. So hypotenuse is OA. OA square is equal to AF square plus FO square. Observe triangle AFO. Apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle AFO. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. That is AO square is equal to AF square plus FO square. Now apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle ODB, where angle ODB is equal to 90 degree. So OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. In the same way, apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle OEC. In triangle OEC, angle OEC is 90 degree. So OC square is equal to OE square plus EC square. So we applied Pythagoras theorem to triangle AFO, triangle ODB, and triangle OEC. From this only we got the terms of equation 1 that we have to prove. So on the left side of first one to prove is AO square, OB square plus OC square we need. So add equation 1, 2 and 3. That is AO square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to AF square plus FO square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus EC square. Now we got all the terms of what we have to prove. See here, AO square, OB square, OC square is there on the left hand side. Now we want OD square, OE square and OF square on the left hand side. So that is there on the right hand side. So bring OD square, OF square and OE square to the left hand side. Then the first one is proved. We have to rearrange this equation. That is AO square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to minus OD square minus FO square minus OE square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus EC square. Now we proved first one. Now let us prove second one. Second one is to prove AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Now observe, where is AF? Now OF, OD and OE is perpendicular to AB, BC and AC, it is given. Now we want AF square, so draw line AF, AF square. Then we want BD square, draw line BD. Then C square, highlight CE. Then we want AE square, highlight AE. Then CD square, observe there. Then BF square. So we have to prove AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Now to prove this, we can prove by using Pythagoras theorem. So join OA, OB and OC. Here we have to apply Pythagoras theorem to all the right triangles. Triangle AFO, triangle AEO, triangle OEC, triangle ODC, triangle ODB and triangle OFB, because here we need AF square, BD square, CE square, AE square, CD square and BF square. Now observe there, we don't want AO, BO and OC here to prove. So now let us apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle AFO. That is AO square is equal to AF square plus FO square. And apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle AEO. Angle E is 90 degrees, so AO square is equal to OE square plus AE square. AO square is equal to AE square plus OE square. Now observe these two equations. AO square is equal to AF square plus FO square and AO square is equal to AE square plus OE square. Now to prove, we don't want AO. See there, second equation that we have to prove. We don't want AO there. So if we equalize these two equations, then AO will be removed. So AF square, from these two equations we can write AF square plus FO square is equal to AE square plus OE square. From these two we can write AF square plus FO square is equal to AE square plus OE square. This is equation 1. Take it as equation 1. In the same way, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle ODB and OFB. ODB and OFB. If we apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle ODB, then OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. So, in triangle ODB, BO square is equal to OD square plus BD square. And in triangle OFB, angle OFB is equal to 90 degree. So, OB square is equal to BF square plus FO square. OB square is equal to BF square plus FO square. Now, observe these two equations. Here BO square is equal to OD square plus BD square, and BO square is equal to BF square plus FO square. From these two equations, we can write OD square plus BD square is equal to BF square plus FO square. Take it as equation 2. Now, in a similar way, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle ODC and triangle OEC. For triangle ODC and OEC, OC is common side. If we apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle OEC, then OC square is equal to EC square plus OE square. Apply Pythagoras theorem to OEC. So, OC square is equal to OE square plus EC square. In the same way, apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle ODC. Angle ODC is 90 degree. So, OC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. Now, observe these two equations where OC square is common. So, we can write OE square plus EC square is equal to OD square plus DC square, because both are equal to OC square. So, OE square plus EC square is equal to OD square plus DC square. Take it as equation 3. Now, we want AF square plus BD square plus C square to prove. So, add equation 1, 2 and 3. You will get AF square plus BD square plus C square, and on the right side you will get AE square, CD square and BF square. Now, add 1, 2 and 3. Add equation 1, 2 and 3, so that we will get what to prove. Add equation 1, 2 and 3. AF square plus FO square plus OD square plus BD square plus OE square plus EC square, that is on the left hand side, is equal to, on the right hand side, AE square plus OE square plus BF square plus FO square plus OD square plus OC square. sorry, OD square plus DC square. Now see here, cancel the terms which are same in left hand side and right hand side. FO square and FO square, OD square and OD square, then OE square and OE square. So you will get AF square plus BD square plus EC square is equal to AE square plus BF square plus DC square. Hence proved. We got AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. Hence proved.